Hey, welcome to our new listing at 115 Bartlett Street, just east of the UNR campus here in Northwest Reno. This 3-bedroom, 1-bath house has a lot of great options. Big backyard, great rental if you're looking for some rental income next to UNR. It's a 5-minute walk to the main campus. Also, it would be a great single family home for a starter family. If you have any questions or want to know more information, give us a call. Otherwise, let's go take a look at this beautiful house. Let's go.